Hello, my lovely people. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is True Talk Margaret TV. Today, topic I want to talk about is about what happened last week. The thing we happened last week for Italy. One of our sisters for Italy, where they shout, they cry, they put on for Facebook, say me people share her out. Say Italian people won't kill her, Italian police won't kill her. They say now in right. He say anytime we be say he ask them for money, say they know they give her money to chop again. No. He say since when you get documents, but I don't understand. Say okay, you get documents. I know say you're supposed to go look for work if you not get picky for hand. I don't know Italian law like that, but yeah, they support, especially when you be single mother. So there's some point I won't bring out because the way she tried to, the way she did shout herself, she not even explain anything for nobody. We don't really know what is going on. But the little words she say, I pick inside, and from the comment, the comment where people they make, and the comment where people they make, especially for we Africa, our Africa people, especially Nigerians, was not okay. It's not helpful to her. Then I waiting and want to talk. I won't bring the point, say, if you are living in this country, Europe, it's not Nigeria, because I will still talk Nigeria on, because she was shouting, this is my right. My right, my right. If our leaders give us our right, we no go there. Because Africa is rich. I don't want to go down too much. Our leaders have already sold us out. So when you are in Rome, you behave like a Rome. Nigeria, this is not your country. Any Europe you stay, you go put on for your essay. It's not your father or your motherland. So you go obey their law, and you go act like this, like the people, the character of the people. You know, we Africa, when we dey vex, we get loud voice. Our voice they loud. But what me I understand for the Igbo people here, say the Europe people, if they vex, now that time they more calm. Because what they want to do, they inside their mind. And they believe say anybody with the shout, the person get mental problem. So maybe this lady will go ask you say they stay camp, maybe they ask the man where they control the camp for money or for your right. The way it asks the man, maybe not make the man say, this one need doctor. Because the lady they talk say, anytime we go ask them for money for your own right, they go they say in the sick, me they call doctor for her, they call doctor, call police for her. But the way they talk they talk the way we say people go take understand. Some people say go work. Some people say, Italian police won't kill you. They say you're right, go back to Africa. If go back to your country, Nigeria, if Nigeria not good, that is it not help matter at all. So I want to advise our people, say, no matter what thing they happen to you, they vex. If you they talk, even you want to make video for Facebook, just for your own security. Don't act like that lady. Don't act like her. Because this Oyibo, after at the end of the day, if they get the phone, they go read the comment of the people. They will read the comment and they will say, even our own fellow African people were not by our own side. You know? And if your fellow Africans, they don't talk negative about you, it is finished. So now, big mistake where she come put on for Facebook, for social media, now big mistake now she make. She worsen her own problem. You understand? And she can't shout, she not put voice down. She not explain, tell the people say she want to explain for our own security, maybe they give her some time. You understand? So that the people, in case anything happen, the people will know where the problem begins. But a lot of comments was coming from our fellow African people are very, very negative. I will tell you people, in this Europe you are living, anywhere in this Europe, anywhere, America or whether na Canada or America not be Europe now, other, America itself. But if you are not living in Nigeria, you are living in America or Canada, Holland, Germany, if you need help, not be your African people go help you. Calling your African people to come and help you increase your more problem. They say when you live in Rome, you behave like a Rome. That is, you act like the white people. Act like them. If they verse the way they talk, act like them. Because if we verse our voice, they go loud. And then them is not their own caution. You understand? Yeah. I learn. When I enter Europe, I even learn more in a very hard way from my own fellow Africans. Where they will offend you and you talk. And them themselves no say, you are nothing they do, you know, that is our own nature. The way we speak loud. They will look, they will tell you, they are the one that offend you, the one that provoke you. They say your enemy is crazy, not you. They say she's crazy. Then the ones, your own black sister, same color with you, or black brother will tell you that your enemy is crazy. So people be careful. Be careful. Our leaders have already said us out. So anywhere we do for this one, we be very careful. We believe say will not get right. Even though you want your right, use your coconut and use it. Use your head, pray for God and use your brain. Tell God to give you wisdom as God gives Solomon wisdom in the Bible to defeat your enemies or to become your right. My own case, when I have my daughter cried. So the new apartment I go at that time in the city, my daughter was just 5 months. I don't know that she cried so much. So the neighbor, this is not what I like for the Igbo people. They try to find out before they take action. And my neighbor knock my door, say, be neighbor up. I say, hi, you be neighbor up. Say, why my daughter always cry? I say, I don't know. Say, okay, let her help me to carry her. So sometimes she do come to my house and pick her. When she start crying, she will bring her to me. And she said, you are not doing this girl anything. She just cry like that. I say, yes. So one time, she asked me to buy something from her, and I refused. Then she stopped talking to me. I said, okay, fine. Then we have a new neighbor. Our new neighbor was a Ghanaian. So I want to tell you the difference between the Igbo and the blacks. Because those people who they put their hope in black, if you have black meeting, black community, they will not help you. They will increase your problem more. You understand? Use your brain, my people. That is why I'm making this topic for today. Because of that lady, the mistake and the comments the people make was not helpful at all. So, let me cut the matter short. And by that time, my daughter was now 2.5 years. She starts this cry again. And she came and she knocked, I open. She said, if you don't stop your daughter to cry now, I will call you Young-Gehamt. I said, okay. Go and call me Young-Gehamt. I'm waiting. Shoot, don't knock my door again. Just go and call me Young-Gehamt. Bye-bye. After 2 days, she cried again. I pet her. She slept. She slept. It not take me 10 minutes. It not take 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Somebody ring my bell. I go check. I don't know these people ring my bell. I say, hello. They say, they are from Young-Gehamt. I say, Young-Gehamt. I say, don't worry, come in. I ask them what they want to drink. They say they don't want to drink anything. I say, I'll be waiting for you people to come. When they look at me, I say, yes. They say they come because my neighbor tell they say my daughter they cry. I say, yes. I say she they cry since the day I born and now she start to cry. And before I will speak the second word, my son go in the case. I say, please, hold her sister. The sister was already sleeping. Please don't take my sister from me. My mother don't do her anything. She cries so. The man that come with like, you know, the man that calmed down. The woman was like, just say, no. Don't worry, we are not going to take your sister from you. We just want to find out why she's crying. Then I explained, I showed a video. The woman said, this is not normal. You are a strong woman. I say, it's God that give me the strength. I say, I've even go to doctor. They give me time for other things to do. How to bring her down, her temperament down. She's the one who make time for me. She's the one who make me a date. What I'm trying to say, if I was like, hey, Young-Gehamt, come on, they want to take my children from me, they want to take my daughter from me, I begin to share the screen, they will say, this is a mad woman. Now we see why the pikin they cry too much. We get to take this pikin from her. The children are not safe in this environment. But the way I welcome them and the way I smile, the way I talk, when I go to tea, I leave that city. Anytime, any day the woman see me on the street, she smile with me, you know. She's coming down and I say yes. She only control me for 2 weeks, not in the house. Just we go to the office and come back. You know, they try to look, they give me paper if she's coming down, what I will be doing, how to calm her down and so. For 2 weeks, she let me go. You understand? So when she cried there and the people threatened me, I said, yeah, call. If you call, they will look the history from beginning. So thank God that she don't cry anymore. But at the end, who are the person that call me the young aunt? It's not the white lady. It's the black that call me young aunt. So anybody that have problem, you think your black community will help you. That is a big mistake. They will increase your help. They will increase your problem. So if you have problem with any office you go to, young aunt, job center, or you have problem with your camp, please, when you are talking with them, talk with them with respect. Even if you are angry, let them hear the anger in your voice, but not shouting. But the way you reply them and the way you talk, they know that what you are doing, what they are doing to you was not right. You understand? Some people, some of our African people go mentally because they give them injection for mental people, which they are not. But because of the way they talk and scream and shout, the people think they are mentally ill. I will still give an example. My other neighbor too was in Nigeria like me. When the wife of his brother come to knock my door, make a comment, try to bring me problem. When I reply her, why are you doing this? The first person that come out and speak is the husband. She did tell the name. She's mad. My name is Madu. So I just want to say this thing to anybody that will come across this video. Let me tell you today. If you have problem, I tell you, believe me, the person who can help you is the Most High God that will touch the heart of the white people to help you. But your fellow black, it is hard. Out of 10% is 1%. Even the way she's chatting, even the big YouTubers and so on, so they will come out to talk. They will not talk favor of that lady. They will talk negative things about her because it's so. We are not there to support each other. You are your own when you are here in Europe. That is some mistakes some black people do that end up where they're not supposed to end up. You think your black people will come and help you if you scream or if you call them for help. No. Because that lady, what she's doing is trying to call for help for black people who are strong, who know the laws and know where to support her to become a right. But the way she screamed, the way she talked, she have already destroyed everything. And the comments have already destroyed. So my brothers and my sister, our leaders are not good. You are here for survival. Ever think that this land you are, you will never have right. Your right is so. So if you are dealing with the people here, use your brain. I hope this message will help somebody. Please put your comment there. What do you think about this video? If any mistake I have made, you are there to put it there. I'm me myself, I'm learning. So thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.